All right, KTAuthentics Sports Marketing Cards. Bhaller. Gonna do box 7. Good luck, Bhaller. Hockey takes a little bit, guys. It is a bajillion packs, 60 hits, 80 numbered cards. Matt Cantario, who blatantly drew a phallic symbol on his autograph. That's not even trying to hide it, sir. Poor guy.
What?
Poor guy. That's a wiener. Zero calls a new PC. And a 99. Cody Jose. Cody Hose. Bobby Witt Jr. Variation. Boomskis. Box after box is just producing big names. I said, Brian. That's PC for you too, isn't it? Will Wilson, 6 of 10 on card. Duran, 6 of 99. Johan Duran. Dominic Fletcher, 46 of 99. And Greg Jones. Thank you, Holler. If you want to do the last box. Gotta stick around for after hockey. Yeah, that was only 9 boxes, or 8 boxes, Mike.